Hello, in this video I'm going to be unboxing and trying out the Swivel microphone headset from the Dollar Tree. Okay, first I'm going to take a look at the box. So this is the front of the box. It says it's the Vibe E Essential Swivel microphone headset. It has an adjustable microphone. And this little sticker on the box says this item is electronically protected. And when I was buying this and I was walking out, the door started beeping. And I asked them, why is it beeping? And they said, oh, it's okay, just, you can go. So I don't know if it was because of this little sticker on there or not, but their system seems like, this has something to do with why their door was beeping. Maybe it was making a mistake or something. I'm not sure exactly how their system works, but if you buy this and you're walking out the door and it beeps, that stickers probably has something to do with it. Okay, so this is the right side of the box. And this is the left side of the box, and this is the top of the box, and this is the bottom of the box, and this is the back of the box. Okay, so it says the features are adjustable swivel mic, clear mono sound, 3.5mm compatible, great for work from home, lightweight design. I'll take the contents out of the box now. This is what the headset looks like. Let's shine a light so you can see it better. I'll show how the headset works. You can adjust the position of the microphone, and when you move it, it clicks. You can also adjust the size of the headband, making it smaller or larger. I'm going to test the microphone of the headset, but I'm also going to test the built-in microphone of my laptop so you have something to compare it to. This microphone array is the built-in microphone on my laptop, so I'm going to press this. Okay, so the input volume is set to 100. That's okay. Now I'm going to test the built-in microphone on my laptop. This is the built-in microphone on my laptop from 20 inches away. Okay, here's the results from the built-in microphone on my laptop. This is the built-in microphone on my laptop from 20 inches away. Okay, now I'm gonna go back to sound. I'm gonna plug in my headset. Okay, so now you should be hearing my headset. This is the microphone of my headset. I'm gonna press this. Okay, now I'm gonna test this. The input volume is at 100, so that's good. And I'm gonna start the test. This is the test of my headset from about 2 inches away from my mouth. Okay, now I'm gonna play the results from the test. This is the test of my headset from about 2 inches away from my mouth. Okay, so that's the end of the test. I couldn't find this headset on the Dollar Tree website. I found this Tube Bloom headphone for $5. I found this Pro Air EX headphone that's available in stores only. I found this iConcept Premium Bluetooth wireless headphone for $5, and I found this eCircuit headphone for $1.50. That's all I could find. So I don't know if all stores are going to have this, but I do know I paid $1.25 for it. I don't know why it was $1.25 instead of $1.50, because even these headphones are $1.50, but it was $1.25 when I got mine just yesterday. So in conclusion, I bought this headset because I wanted to see if I could get a more consistent sound level than I was getting from the built-in speaker on my laptop, which when I'm recording, I'm usually about 20 inches from. I thought with a headset, since it's only a few inches from my mouth, it might get a more consistent sound level. And it seems that the sound quality from the headset's pretty good, as far as I could tell in my test. And as far as the mono headphone portion, I think it was okay, but maybe a little muffled. But you're probably not going to get great sound quality from a mono headphone compared to, a stereo headphone. So all in all, I think it worked good. And for $1.25, I would definitely give it 5 out of 5 stars. And I think it's a good deal. I'm not sure if it's going to be available at all Dollar Trees or whether the price will be the same as what I got it for, but it was $1.25 when I bought it at my Dollar Tree about a week ago.